Hello friends, welcome back to TechieHelp. Today we will QR code generator using Python Flask with web development. In this previous project, Python project 2, we are build QR code generator using Python in simple way. In this project, we are building QR code generator using Python library Flask and web development with a download button. You are create a QR code and download it and useful work. Okay. So without delay, let's get started. So open your VS Code, go on file, open folder, and go on desktop, make a folder. So make a folder according to you QR. Okay, then select. So first thing, you make a file with name app.py. Okay, app app.py. In your system, Python is not set up in your Visual Studio Code. Please go on my Visual Studio playlist in my YouTube channel and set up your Visual Studio Code for Python. Then come to build this project. Okay, press enter and then make a folder. Click on this folder and name this folder template. Okay, templates. Don't change this name because template is used to uh, name of your HTML file. Okay, so click and click on this and go on file and name this index.html. Index.html. Okay, let's enter. Okay, so go on app.py. Before starting building this project, we are some function have to install. So go on your terminal, new terminal, and install keep install flask flask QR code PIL. Okay, and press enter. So in this my system, this is already installed. So you have done install this function. So please first install this and then come to building this project. Okay. So without delay, let's get started to building this project. Okay. So first, let's build this. Import Flask from Flask. Import Flask, comma render templates, comma request, comma send file, comma URL for press enter. Import QR code. Import QR code. Press enter. Import OS. Import OS means operating system. Okay. From WER work zip. Okay. Dot utils. Import secure file. Import secure file. Press enter. And next step is initialize. Sorry. Initialize the Flask application. In this next step, we are initialize the Flask application. So app equals to Flask and Flask का नाम. Okay, name. Press enter. And next step is create an upload directory. So create upload directory within the current working. If it does not exit. Okay. So in this next step, we are building a file name using Flask. So uploads directory dir equals to operating system dot path dot join operating system dot get cwd comma upload. Okay, uploads. Okay, if not o dot os dot path.exist upload directory semicolon column sorry column next os dot make direct drs method directly uploads upl uploads directly. Okay, so next step is define define the route for the home page. Okay, so app dot root app.root next define index column enter render the index.html template. So return render template index.html. Okay, using this function we are render the html file in this Flask application. Okay, so next step define route define define the route to handle qr qr code generation. Okay, app dot root slash generate comma methods methods equals to post capital में post post. Okay, and next is define define generate column enter get the data data from the form input. Okay, so data is equals to request dot form dot get. Okay, and get. Next step to create a QR code object with a specified parameters. Okay, so QR equals to QR code dot QR code. Enter version 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 equals to 1 comma 1 comma error underscore correction equals to QR code dot constants constants dot error correct l. Okay, comma enter box underscore size equals to 10 comma border equals to 4 comma. So next step to add data to the QR code object. Okay, next step is add data to the QR code object. Okay, so QR equals QR dot add data and data. Okay, and QR dot QR dot make fit equals to true. Okay, next step to create create an image of the QR code of the QR code. Okay, so im img image equals to QR dot make image fill equals to black black comma back color back color equals to white. That's it. Okay, and next step to create an so next step is secure the file name and create the full path for the image file. Okay, secure the file name, secure the file name and cre- create the full path for the image file. Okay, so name equals to secure file name equals to secure file name secure file name as qr data qr data dot png file path equals to os dot path dot join upload directory comma file का नाम file name. Okay, in this next step save the QR code image to the specified file path. Okay, next step save the QR code image to the specified file 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 path. Okay, so img.save equals to file path. Okay, next step is render the index.html templates with the file path for the QR code image. Okay, so return a render template index.html index.html comma file path equals to url4 download download file. Okay, load file comma file name equals to file name. So next step to define the route to handle file download. Okay, next step is define the route to handle file downloads. Okay, so app.root root slash download slash फाइल का नाम, फाइल नेम. Okay, so define download file and file name. Okay, and the next step is serve the file for download. Return send file os dot path dot join load directory file का नाम comma as attachment equals to true. Okay, next step run the applications in debug mode mode. Okay, so if name equals equals to main app dot run debug equals to true. Okay, so this file. Okay, so using Python Flask, we are write the code to generate QR, and next step is setup index.html file. Okay, so next step, write the code for HTML. So basic simple code, then name the title of QR code generator, QR code generator, and write this code. So in this body, we are define a class container and writing this. Okay, so define div class container h1 tag h1 keyword code generator make a form. Now we are making a form. So form action equals to generate generate method equals to post post equals make a label for data and in- enter data to encode level is closed. Next input type input type text id equals to data name required, required and closed. Next button, type submit, submit, generate, generate QR code. Next is percentage if py path, py path. Next is div class QR QR code image assembly src py path, py path alt equals to QR code. Next is anchor tag href equals to file path and close. Next is button class download button download QR code. This div add recent endif endif. So now let's build CSS for this. Okay. Now style body equals to front family font font family Arial. Next display flags justify content center align item also item align item center and then now height so ph and background color white, margin zero, margin zero, dot container container. So background color f padding 20 pixels, border radius 8, border radius add pixel, box shadow, box shadow 0 0 10 pixel, 10 pixel RGB at 0 0 comma 0.1. Next, text align center. Now we'll H1 margin, margin bottom, margin bottom 20 pixels, and the next form, form display flags, flex direction, flex direction, flex direction column, align item, enter. Okay. Next is level, padding 10, padding 10 pixel, and margin bottom 20 pixels, and border 1 pixel, solid CCC. Okay. And next is border radius, border radius 4 pixel, and width 100%, 100%, max width, max width 300 pixels. Next is bottom background color, H 0056 0 H 0056 E3. And next is QR code. Next, QR code. So margin top 10 pixels, and next is download download button, margin top, 10 pixels, padding 10 or 20, padding 10 pixels or 20 pixels, 20 pixels. Next is background color H 20 H A 745. Next is color H FFF, and border none, the border radius 4 pixels, cursor cursor's pointer cursor pointer, and next is download button hover, download button hover. Okay, so background color background color H21883H. Then you simply save this. Uh, this project is already complete. And have you any doubt? Have you any doubt in related to this project? Please comment. I'm trying to reach out immediately and solve your problem. So let's run and see your program is good or bad. Okay. So let's save this and run this code. So this is working or running on HTTP machine. So go on this solo link and open this Windows QR code generator. So in this QR code generator, enter data to enhance. So I'm put my website data and click on QR code generator and boom, this is generate this QR code and give me a download QR code button. When I click this QR code download, it's download on my PC. Simply click on this and boom, this is download my file. So these are all steps. Simply follow and fill this amazing project to showcase your resume. Okay. So have you any doubt related to this project? Please comment, uh, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for giving your precious times. Okay. So